land on two sides, land for days. Couple years from now, we know what go on, right? We know a house I go build on them land here.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another driving through Jamaica.
Truly 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro. And right now we're up on the highway. Yeah, I think this is what is again, the South Coast Highway, I think. Yeah, so the highway I take you into so yeah, alright, hold on. Alright, because I know a lot of you never you travel on the route, you know. Yeah. So when if you go like Clarendon, yeah, you don't know you can go, you have to go Maypen, you have to go Mandela side, them places. You can take the highway. It actually starts from off Mandela highway and it carry you go straight in to Maypen side thereabout. You get what I say? Yeah, my people. So I'm saying the phone never take it yet, you see me? And right about now, we actually the on way and go in a whole Harbour. Yeah, and the sun soon set at evening hours you know, so you know that something they go. So the sun kind of in front of it, so I apologize if the glare from the sun affect the camera, alright, or affect the video. Just bear with me a little bit, but just pass a common fall. Yeah, look at chicken from the side of the road. Yeah, but on the way by so far, mind him getting goose cook, you know. Yeah, my people, so we just want to say a big shout out to all of my new subscribers, them. All of the new viewers, them. Welcome to the family. They don't know the thing go 876 by birth as my second time. Well, you see what I say? Yeah, man, feel free for just be yourself over here. We are tour the place. We are going to chat about of foolishness more while. Feel free to drop your comments. You don't know talk what on your mind, alright? But just be respectful. You get what I say? Yeah, man, you know the thing go already, man. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, my people, so as I say, I know enough I never really take that route yet before. You see me? Yeah, a nice little highway. I'm calling the vineyards. Yeah, man, take you in a Clarendon side and them place there. You understand? Yeah. That is to my people, you see me? Yeah, man. I need to see what the speed limit on the highway, you know. Yeah. Need to see a sign with the speed limit on it, you see me? I know when the 2-1 OD. Can't take a ticket right now, people. Ticket price I'm going through the roof right now. Yeah. So all the bad driver them, sorry for them, you see me? Oh yeah, man. Alright, so that bridge right up there now, I think that can take you in a Portmore. I think that bridge I carry around a lime tree them place there. Oh no, it's a Bernard Lad bridge. So I guess that this carry up on Dumbo in the road. No man, this is supposed to lime tree, yeah. Yeah, I think I see the Dumbo in one further down more. Yeah. So yeah, my people. Look on land, on two sides, land for days. Couple years from now, we know what go on, right? We know a house I go build on them land here. You get me? Currently right now it look like a farmland. Before it was like sugar cane land though. I used to cane over there, whole heap of cane and them thing they used to over there. But I don't know, I guess I sell out the cane thing already, so yeah. Yeah, my people. So the Carmen building there to my right. So that bridge, you know, when I want to road I carry up on Dumbo, it carry in a Portmore. I think think that one named Salpan. Yeah. So yeah, my people. To my right over there are some house. When you drive on the moon, you don't really get to see it properly. But when you drive right up on the highway, you can see it. Good. Yeah, man, I think a housing agency of Jamaica did actually build them. Yeah. And I think people start live over there. Not 100% completed, but I think people start live over there now. You get me? Yeah. So if you want to exit in a Spanish town now, the Spanish town exit will come up. But I'm say we are going to all Harbour, people, so yeah, I'm going to all Harbour, so we ain't exiting. I'm still look for one speed limit sign. Second myself right there, so because I don't sure if squaddy them there over there, you know. Yeah man, I'm going to go test the waters. Yeah man, as I say, I know enough of you don't know the route here. I don't really travel the route here. Yeah. But when you see a whole heap of land there, whole heap of land still left in the St. Catherine. Whole heap of land. Chop man, I come, chop man, I do road, you know man. Alright, so I see the speed limit sign say 110, so alright. Now we know, 110. Yeah man, chop man, I do road, people. Yeah, only for land on two sides, people. Couple years from now, me I'm telling you, you know that go. You see them cut exit and sit. I only open and see properly. But the sun rays not too bright. But yeah man, land on two sides, people. Land on two sides. Only for land too. Acres and acres. You see the highway how long, people? A long stretch of road. wind up doing a little bit people because I can't deal with them smoke, yeah. Yeah, my people. So drop in the comment section, let me know if you know the route you like, if you travel the route you before and thing, you know. So let me know. But I'm tell you, say, really land pan two side, bush pan two side, yeah? Yeah, man. Now wind down back the window now, yeah? And I think the cost on the highway right now are 600 Jamaican. So yeah. And I just one toll booth I think upon it. Well, for Old Harbour. So when you exit, Old Harbour have an exit, have a toll booth, a toll plaza. And then I think if you continue straight, there's also one for Clarendon as well. So yeah. And then I don't think there's any exit before Old Harbour either. Yeah, I don't think there's any exit before Old Harbour. So we are, I said the toll plaza is a kilometer ahead. So yeah. So we can also use that time here for judge and see how long it would have taken me, because the beginning of the video basically started at the beginning of the highway, you know, people. Yeah, it started at the beginning of the highway, and as you can see, as I said, this is the toll plaza. The exit probably is another kilometer or two away. So you can use this for kind of judge and see how long it actually takes to get to Old Harbour from Kingston. You know, only people feel like Old Harbour far, you know, but it's really not far. It's really not that far, to tell you the truth. Yeah, people, so class 1 are $600. Hello. Thank you. Alright, I guess she's probably new. Yeah, there was somebody else in there with her, kind of like, you know, a coach her and things, so it looked like she kind of new. Yeah. So yeah, I can see how far the toll plaza actually is, the exit actually is. So as I said, the people in my thing say, Old Harbour might far, it's not far. You get me? Yeah. And one thing with that exit, you know, people. See, when you see the sign say the exit a come up, trust me, the exit a come up. Because like for the regular exit, them you know it normally give a little warning. Like if that's an exit a kilometer away or 2 kilometers, next 2 kilometers or so. I don't know, I think them probably blunder with that one. I'm going to check it out to see exactly still. But yeah, I think them probably blunder. Well, let me see. Normally you get a good little warning to say, you know? Oh, it actually tell you. So it's a 1 kilometers. Yes, so see it. Whole Harbour. 1 kilometer. And trust me, it does pop up people. Like, yeah. I never usually see that sign there. Probably me never really see that sign there, you know. Yeah, me never ever take notice of that sign there, to tell you the truth. So, I normally just see them sign here down here so, and I say, yo, how the exit just pop up on me so? You get me? And then maybe shoot all around the corner right there so too, yeah. So that big sign here alone I always I see. That's my problem. I never did see that 1 kilometer sign there. First me I tell you the truth. So I normally see that sign there and then see the exit and I'm like, yo, what is? You see me? I'm always I said to myself, say, yo, they need to put that next sign in, but that sign is there, people, so my body, you see it? Yeah, man. So we're about for up off of the highway now. If you go clearing that Maple inside, you know, would have just go straight, you see me? So we're about for up off of the highway now, my people, and this is where we're going to end the video. So it was just a little stretch on the highway. Alright, so we're going to see what go on, yeah. So we are going down the road now, people, and I'm grateful for the journey with me. I don't know the thing got 876 by Bergs. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, alright? And I'm out.
Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.